My name is Anna Morrow. I was diagnosed with Friedreich's ataxia when I was 9. When I was diagnosed at Hopkins, I left the appointment so that my dad could drive me to lacrosse practice after. I was still able to play lacrosse and do all the things I loved.
My name is Sam. I'm currently a senior at Dickinson College. My major is classical studies. When I was a kid, I used to love doing art, and then my first symptom of FA was hand tremors, hand shakiness. So obviously art was no longer on the market. What avenues are open to me and what can I do with my life? And that's kind of how I live my life. I got into classics, I got into languages.
I was diagnosed in 1998, the same year FARA was founded. The fact that I was diagnosed when Ron and Rachel were diagnosed, I saw them taking the first step on a lot of things, and I feel a responsibility to keep that going because of what they've done. And so I had to start figuring out how to make it work in my life.
It was soon after my diagnosis that I was able to sign up for this trial. It was an opportunity to do something when it felt like there was nothing to do.
I remember participating in trials, and I remember the question of research. It was more, it could help me, it could do nothing for me, but it could also help somebody else, like my sister or anybody else I knew that had FA.
In the 10 years I've been doing this, there's been countless clinical trials, a treatment approved, that I got to celebrate. We can do very hard things.
When the drug first came out and I started taking it, I forced myself to write the alphabet every single day when I took the pill. I can write now, it's not the neatest, but it is legible, and that's progress because I haven't done that for about 7 years.
I want treatments not just for me, but for the whole community, and especially all the kids with such bright futures who are living with FA.
I'm hoping that my love of sports can translate into a love of helping other people, working together as patients and advocates, researchers and doctors is the only way we can make progress.
We look at each other for strength, and we take inspiration from each other to never give up.
My goal for this year is to graduate, hopefully magna cum laude.
It means a whole lot to me to have so much support from an amazing community that cares about FARA, that cares about me and my friends. I want to live my life knowing that I'm not leaving anything on the table.
There's a saying in Latin, Veni, Vidi, Vici. I came, I saw, I conquered. Without community support, no one with FA would be able to say that they came, they saw, and they conquered. But with that support, all of us are able to conquer.
I am determined.
I am a person with FA.
I am relentless.
I am an advocate.
I am one part of a large community.
I would not be the person I am today if that support wasn't given to me in the past, if it wasn't given to me now.
We're all in this. I'm really grateful. I'm really grateful for that.